guys, this is Asher and we are playing on the Hive. We will be doing the lab today. It is a very fun game. Hold on, I need to turn my sound up. There we go. Here we go. Right here.
Good day, Tess. You would kindly divert your eyes to the experimenter. We'll find out which experiments we'll be doing today. Whack-a-mole. Build a snowman. And Splag. A rather fine selection, wouldn't you say? Well, let's get to it. Start the teleporter.
Awesome. Whack a mob. Okay. Let's do this. Whack a mob. These far away ones are hard. Okay, let's just keep getting close ones. Oh, I got a far one. Oh, I didn't do too bad. Didn't get last is the best. Build a snowman. Do we just build snowmans? Come on. Come on. Perfect. Where's all this fireworks coming from? I did bad. Okay, next is Spleg, so don't expect me to do well on this, because I am horrible at Spleg. It's one of my worst mini games. See, that's how bad I am at Spleg. I am just not good at Spleg. Okay, so let's leave here because I'm out of the game. Please like, comment, subscribe. If you want me to do any other videos on mini games on this server, I will. I'll vote on. I'll tell you all the mini games, and you guys can vote on which one you would want me to do. Survival games, I've done that a lot already. So I guess hide and seek, the Herobrine, Block Party, Spleg, Trouble in Mineville, Death Run, OITC in the Crank Kid, CG Heroes, Cowboys and Indians, The Lab, which I was just doing, Draw It, and that's not a mini game. Sorry, Back to Spawn. That's a very fun mini game. I'm gonna play that mini game right now. Oh my god, that mini game was awesome. Okay, please like, comment, and subscribe, and